In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. This can be especially useful if you need to make an adjustment outside of your regular payroll processes or simply want to keep your records updated with any third-party payroll computations. Let's dive into it. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's been a while since you last logged in. We'll be navigating through a few sections, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Now, look towards the top of your dashboard. You need to locate the Create button, which is often signified by the plus sign, paychecks. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this list, click on Check. This choice sets the stage for manually entering the paycheck details. Now that you have the check form open, it's time to enter all necessary details manually. This means filling out the fields step by step with accurate information. Start with the payee information. Who is receiving this paycheck? Enter their name correctly in the designated field. Double-check spelling to avoid any future issues. Next up is choosing the bank account from which you'll be funding the paycheck. Click on the bank account field and select the correct account from your listed options. Ensuring this selection is correct is crucial as it impacts your financial records directly. After picking the right bank account, you'll need to enter the payment date. Consider when you actually want this transaction to reflect in your records. It should align with pay periods if possible, but adjust as necessary based on your unique circumstances. Continue filling out any additional required fields. This may include fields such as the check number or notes for more context about the payment if necessary. Providing as much detail as possible will make future audits and revisits to your records much smoother. Once you're satisfied and you've reviewed all the information, looks correct and complete, you're ready to finalize this entry. Look for the Save and Close button. Clicking on it will save your input and close the check form, recording the transaction in your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a manual paycheck into QuickBooks Online. This process ensures that your accounting records remain accurate and up-to-date, reflecting your business's true financial landscape. If you make a mistake during entry, remember, you can always edit the transaction later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.